Some spaces don't sit at the center of a home, but they are where the rhythms of life come together. Where a new day wakes to the bright notes of morning. Where time slows down just enough to feel loved. Where moments of calmness give courage to bold dreams. Behind every bathroom door, life keeps changing day by day. And when the world moves, Viglacera, carrying the spirit and ambition of Vietnam, moves with it. Proud to be Vietnam's first sanitary ware manufacturer, drawing on over half a century of expertise, we create products that meet the world's most demanding standards. Every pair of hands finds its rhythm in one great symphony. A rhythm of mastery, bringing out the best in every material. A rhythm of patience, drawing the shape of a home. A rhythm of momentum, alive and perfectly in sync. For 5 decades, thousands of hands have kept these factories running day and night, each a vital link in one integrated ecosystem. At Viglacera, people and technology have never stood apart. People bring technology to life. Technology extends human potential. Together, we build the foundation for lasting value. Robotic arms that never rest. Automated lines running with absolute precision. Every detail is crafted. Every product held to a rigorous standard of quality, ensuring consistency across millions. On that foundation, we set new standards, rising forward with our nation into the age of technology. For Viglacera, technology only matters when it makes everyday life better. Antibacterial ceramic glaze for cleaner, healthier spaces. 360-degree vortex flushing for a deep, quiet, water-saving clean. PVD coating for lasting beauty and protection. Smart innovations for an effortless way of living. Beyond individual products, Viglacera delivers a complete bathroom ecosystem for every kind of need. From world-class resorts, commercial developments to factories, industrial parks, and landmark national projects, Viglacera is there at every milestone, helping shape the landscape of a nation on the rise. Recognized among the world's top 27 sanitary ware manufacturers, Viglacera reaches from every corner of Vietnam to more than 20 countries and territories. A journey that carries forward one mission: to serve people and enrich their lives. Viglacera believes a company's true measure is not only the scale it reaches, but the difference it makes. From thousands of social housing projects, hospitals and schools, to countless acts of giving back, Viglacera keeps building a stronger society and a better life. That is how we honor the trust of more than 30 million people across generations. Life will keep moving. Children will grow up. New families will take shape. Cities will keep rising. Viglacera will keep evolving too, raising our capabilities, mastering technology, setting new standards for modern living, and proving Vietnamese strength on the world stage. Over half a century, so much has changed. But some things were always meant to stay. Behind every door, lives unfold. and Viglacera quietly remains beside them, helping write brighter chapters to come. Viglacera, evolving for lasting values.